10 E, 10 E. Nerdy regular RE verbs in the present tense. Audio practice. Numbers 21 to 25. Numéro 21. Ses parents la défendent de sortir. Ses parents la défendent de sortir. Her parents forbid her to go out. It could actually be his parents too. We don't know the context. Numéro 22. Ta jupe pend devant. Ta jupe pend devant. Your skirt is drooping at the front. It's hanging at the front. EN and AN sound exactly the same when they're in the same syllable. So we have the word pend, en, and then devant, en. EN and AN sound the same if they're within the same syllable. And be sure to say skirt with a lovely jupe. Numéro 23. Elle lui tend la main. Elle lui tend la main. She's stretching out her hand to him, or it could be to her. Numéro 24. Il étend le linge. Il étend le linge. He's hanging out the washing. He's stretching it out. Étendre, think of it as extending. Numéro 25. Cette nouvelle application étend la portée sans fil par Bluetooth. Cette nouvelle application étend la portée sans fil par Bluetooth. This new application extends the wireless range via Bluetooth. That sound doesn't exist in French, so people may pronounce it more like an S or even a T, Bluetooth or Bluetooth. Feel free to say Bluetooth. D'accord. De l'anglais en français. Number 21. Her parents forbid her to go out. Her parents forbid her to go out. Ses parents la défendent de sortir. Ses parents la défendent de sortir. Okay, pas parents, not parents. Papa, parents. Number 22, addressing tu. Your skirt is drooping, it's hanging at the front. Your skirt is drooping, it's hanging at the front. Ta jupe pend devant. Ta jupe pend devant. Number 23. She's holding out her hand to him or to her. She's holding out or stretching out her hand to him or to her. The French are quite likely to say the hand. Elle lui tend la main. Elle lui tend la main. Number 24. He's hanging out the washing. He's extending it. He's hanging out the washing. Il étend le linge. Il étend le linge. Number 25. This new application extends the wireless range via Bluetooth. This new application extends the wireless range via Bluetooth. Cette nouvelle application étend la portée sans fil par Bluetooth. Cette nouvelle application étend la portée sans fil par Bluetooth. Très bien. You can print out the PDF or just look at the PDF and have a go at writing these down as well for extra practice to go into your long-term memory. Bravo, bravo. Mouah. À la prochaine fois.